how you can log in into EFLEX employee account. So without any further ado, let's start this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with and in the search URL, type in EFLEX employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now, you will be taken to this interface. Then head over to the first link that says employer flexible account login. Click on that. Then you will be directly taken to this interface. Now, to log in, first of all, enter your valid username associated with your account. And under that, enter your correct password. Again, under that, you have to enter your PIN as well. That is the last four digit of your SSN number. So type in your PIN and click on this login button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information, or in case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forgot password. Follow some screen instructions and that will help you out to recover your account. Now if you would like to log in without an account, so click on this option or button that says login without an account. And now, to log in without an account, first of all, you have to enter your first name, your last name, and the last four digits of your SSN number. And under that, you have to enter your date of birth. And after you do that, click on submit. Then you will be logged into your account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.